Imagine a browser that automatically organizes your entire workflow. No tab overload, no chaos, no constant switching. It combines AI summaries, quick link previews, writing assistance, smart tab grouping, personalized feeds, memory, reminders, and Norton-level security, all in one browser. Whether you're researching something complex or planning a trip, like booking a flight without opening dozens of tabs, Norton Neo keeps everything organized in one place. I've used many browsers over the years: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and honestly, they all follow the same basic idea. Today, we're diving into something different, one of the most interesting AI-powered browsers right now. This is Norton Neo. This isn't just another browser with a few AI tools added on top. Neo is built as an AI-native browser, designed around calm browsing, continuity, and safety. If AI had existed when browsers were first created, this is probably what they would have looked like. Once you download and launch Neo, you land directly on the Neo dashboard. And right here at the top, the first thing you'll notice is the magic box. Think of the magic box as an AI command center. Instead of opening new tabs or switching tools, you simply type what you need. For example, I typed, "Write 5 major breakthroughs in quantum computing from the past year." Here, I can choose between search or chat. When I select chat, Neo responds like a built-in large language model, similar to ChatGPT, but directly inside the browser. This is Neo's inline summary feature, which pulls key points and sources instantly. Within seconds, I get a clean summary, complete with sources and publication dates. No endless clicking, no tab overload, just fast, verified information. Then I tried another query. Give me the 5 most cited research papers on AI in 2025. Again, Neo delivers accurate results: titles, authors, years, and short summaries. What would normally take hours of research happens in seconds. The magic box isn't just search, it's search, chat, and action combined. Now, let's move to one of Neo's most practical features: quick peek and summary. Here's how this changes everything. Normally, you click a link hoping it's useful, but with Neo, watch this. You simply hover over the link. See what just happened? Let me show you a real example, for instance. I'm searching right now for French pizza recipes. Look at all these search results on the screen. Now, normally, I'd have to click each one, wait for it to load, and hope it's what I need. But watch this. I don't need to open every result. See my cursor? As I hover over this first link, boom, there's the preview. Moving to the second one, another instant preview. I can preview each page, scan the content, and decide if it's worth opening, all without leaving the current page. No new tabs, no waiting, no going back and forth. Just hover, preview, decide. Let's talk about the AI writing assistant. This feature improves everything you type online. Whether it's an email, a form, or a social media caption, Neo helps refine your wording, fix grammar, and improve clarity. You type less, but your message becomes stronger, like having an editor built directly into your browser. Now let's look at smart tab grouping. Check this out. See up here? At the top of the browser, you can see multiple open tabs. Right now, I've got about 15 tabs open. A total mess, right? Watch what happens when I turn smart tab grouping off. There, it looks like a regular browser, everything mixed together. Shopping tabs, work tabs, entertainment, all jumbled up. But now, watch this magic. When I turn it back on, see that? Neo automatically organizes tabs into categories like shopping, email, entertainment, and research. Look at how it just sorted everything instantly. All my shopping tabs grouped together, email in one spot, research articles in another. And here's where it gets even better. Watch as I move the tabs to the side panel. See how the workspace becomes even cleaner? Your main screen is now completely uncluttered. This is especially helpful if you regularly work with dozens of tabs open. Neo also includes snippets. By typing a slash, I can choose from different prompts. For example, if I type "Happy 20th birthday," Neo expands it into a more complete, polished message. It's a small feature, but very useful in daily writing. Another feature worth mentioning is the personalized newsfeed. From the dashboard, I can open the newsfeed to see articles and content related to my interests. It's personalized, but designed to respect privacy, a simple way to discover relevant information. Neo also supports voice input. Instead of typing, I can speak my query. For example, help me find the top 5 leather shoes under $200. Neo converts my voice into text and performs the search instantly, faster than typing. Now, if I open Settings, this is where I can customize how Neo behaves. Under Personalization, there's a feature called Memories. When enabled, Neo can remember specific information I choose to save. To store something, I simply say, "Remember," followed by the detail. That information appears inside the Memories section. One of the biggest strengths of Norton Neo is security. Built-in ad blocking keeps pages clean and fast. There's also a privacy filter you can control, including exceptions for specific sites. Neo comes with Norton Web Shield, which protects against phishing, malware, and harmful websites in real time. Your browsing is secure by default without needing extra extensions. It's clean, fast, and protected, backed by a name that's been trusted in security for years. Beyond protection, Neo is very clear about privacy. If you want to try Norton Neo for free, I've added the link in the description below. Download it, explore the features, and see how an AI-native browser fits into your workflow.